started off the morning in our Airbnb. We had landed there around 11 p.m. and decided to go out the next morning and look around this beautiful spot my sister recommended, where I had the best drink ever. It was so beautiful. It was really easy to get there. Of course, I didn't drive, but the roads were pretty big. Here is the famous church. This drink we had was so good, you guys. I wanted a second one. It was freshly squeezed orange juice with orange ice cream and this cream on the top. It was perfect. If you go to Mallorca, you have to go here. This place was beautiful. The train kept passing by right in front of us, and everybody there was so friendly. Everything there was beautiful. The food that we all had was really good. We got this helado here, which was watermelon and lemon, and it was freshly squeezed, and they would make it right there on the spot. It was so good and refreshing, especially because it was 102, I believe, the day that we got there.
To take the picture, just go.
We did a little bit of shopping, and I did buy a couple things I'll have to show you in another video because I forgot to record it. Here we bought some beautiful jewelry. They were all handmade. There was a lot of small businesses which I really loved, and we walked a little bit around this area where there was some restaurants, and we decided on this place for dinner, which was closer to our Airbnb. We had a paella and a sangria, which, oh my god, I love the sangria here. Definitely have to get it. Afterwards, we got it. Somebody at the door got us with these gummies. They were really good. To end the night, I had a piña colada from this spot, which was so refreshing. And the next morning, we woke up to the beach, and it was wonderful, especially before the heat hit in the day. Then we made it out to this local market where they had food, plants, and a lot of delicious snacks. We did buy a couple souvenirs here to take back home with us. The olives were so delicious. If you have the chance, there was these olives that we were told called chupadedos, I believe, and they were the best olives I've ever tasted in my life. Here's me having another sangria. We stopped by here for some lunch, and dinner. We had some appetizers. Saying appetizers, but they were definitely not appetizers. These were meals. My sister had a whole bowl of tuna. I had tacos, but afterwards we hit the beach again and we rented this thing, which was like $12 for an hour, and we were out in the water all afternoon. It was so fun. The water was so clear. The weather was 100 and something. Our last night there, we ended up getting some drinks and some food before we headed out to the club later that night. I didn't get to record. There was so much going on in my life at this point. But before we left to the airport and head back to Germany, we did stop at this like Instagram restaurant or food spot, and my sister got a stunt shake, and this is how we ended our last hours in New York.